I made it! Are you still sick?
It's not good. Pretty bad. Yeah, stay away. As long as I have a nap every hour and a half, I'm good.
I think you got the vid.
I think it's the N. The N1, the N19, the end. It's the end.
The H1N1?
I don't know, but it ain't good.
Get in that thing now,
Okay.
come on!
What if I'm never seen again, look for me in this spot.
The question is how am I gonna breathe in there? It'll be a long way to the farm to not breathe. My brother's sick, my mom's sick, dad's sick. It's just a disease fest.